you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am showing you guys both a project share as well as what our kit of the week is. Main Squeeze by Crate Paper. You get these 4 tassel hearts, these paper clips, the sold out everywhere ephemera pack with gold glitter. You guys look at that glitter. It also comes with these heart sequins, 2 thicker packs. One is the alphabet rose thickers. It has 134 pieces. And then the Puffy Sweetest thickers that go with this collection. It also comes with 12 by 12 papers. So you will receive kiwi, this is the cute pear, just love, Smooch, honey, and last but not least, heart eyes. And I'm going to show you some of the things that I have made with this collection. Now, you can make some pretty adorable cards. It can be for your galentines or your valentines. This one I layered with these puffy stickers. I like you lots, and I put a little mix of sequins and feathers I added to the mix, and I really like the way that that sort of clouds the sequins, and it just adds a little bit of color. And that's one card there. You can see a lot of the sewing that I've done around the edge of the card. Very simple, just layer it up, cut out some of the sweet pears and strawberries. I've just added some lines with just my black pen. Teal. This is a cute little interactive card. It says "Sweet on You." I took some of the ephemera. I made one of the little envelopes. I stitched around the edge with the gold trim. Oh gosh, this would be cute to say something like "We make a great pair" with the cute pears on the outside. For those of you who love llamas, I really like them. The nice gold stitching and just a plain blue cardstock that I've added from my stash to frame the edge to give some separation between the white. And then this gorgeous card. Again, we've got some of those hearts that come in the ephemera pack, and the puffy stickers, and the cute little ephemera. Again, the built-in gold, so that's why I've done stitching in gold for these projects. There's a cute little shaker pocket that I've done. Just very simple. And then here I'm going to show you something that I've created that's not Valentine's Day, and it's a 12 by 12 layout. Actually goes this way, and it is of backyard pool fun. So the colors from this kit matched the color of the donut inflatable that my daughter had, and it was so fun to create these little embellishment clusters. I tucked some gold thread in underneath, and I did a lot of gold stitching along the way. I used my paper punch to add some texture to the bottom, and I just layered up the different pages that come in this collection, and then I stuck a bunch of the tags that came in the ephemera pack. Again, you can see that gold glitter that comes in there. I used the alphabet stickers to create the title. So nothing to do with Valentine's Day. This is fun, little feather and gold thread tucked in there. I did some stitching here without thread, just to add again another element of texture to the project. And I carried the same idea through on the second page. I love this little raccoon holding the heart, just a little flower underneath there. I did some punching here with the scallop punch and another punch there. One neat trick is to take the bottom branding tags off and stitch them ahead of time, and then you can add them to the paper without having, like, just glue them on the paper instead of having to stitch them on. So that's one way that you can do the stitching and add a nice touch. And there's a little paper clip. And then again, just that gold sparkle is on all of these ephemera. They are fantastic. I really enjoyed that. So that's my project share. Take a look at polka.mailbox.com. These products ship from Canada, and yeah, we hope that you get creating some gorgeous Valentine's projects. And if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, we'd love to have you here. Thanks so much, and we'll see you again next time.